G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another one of my EV realist videos in which I try to put a much more realistic perspective on this mad EV transition than the wildly optimistic views that our governments are currently spruiking. So if you like this kind of content, it would be great to have you as a subscriber. So if you've seen some of my previous videos, you'll know that I find the whole idea of having an electric car absolutely preposterous. Given the fact that they take so long to charge, the infrastructure for charging is just never going to be there, and they can catch fire at any moment. But here is a video that somebody shared with me, which is just astonishing. I mean, this is in California, okay? California is the green woke capital of the world, I would have thought, and it's desperate to transition to net zero by next week or something, and it's got thousands of EV chargers and loads of wealthy Democrats who can afford to buy Teslas. So let's watch the tape.
So you want to charge your car, huh? Well, don't come here. You'll be here till 3 o'clock in the morning. And that's just the cars that are getting charged. And this is the line of the cars wanting to get charged. And this is the great hoax to get rid of gasoline, so that you can go sit in a line and plug your car in. This isn't a joke. This is the real thing. It's 11:15 at night, and these are the people who probably, I guess, can't get home. And they're just sitting in their cars, and they're just waiting and waiting and waiting.
I mean, seriously, this is absolute insanity. This is California, you know, the most blue Democrat state that you could possibly imagine, with all the taxpayer funding pushed into EVs and EV charging infrastructure. And yet here we go with dozens of people queuing up at 11:15 p.m. at night, waiting to charge their electric car. Once they get to the front of the queue, they're going to be there for another hour at the minimum. I mean, this is beyond madness, beyond madness. Anyway, that's just about it for this one. I mean, this just perfectly encapsulates the madness of the desperate rush to EVs. EVs are the wrong choice anyway for future personal transportation. Battery charging is slow anyway. It's never going to be adopted by people who want to, you know, fill up their tanks and get out and get on their way. And this is just absolute lunacy, a testament to the idiocy of our governments. Anyway, that's just about it for this one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you've got any tips, you can hit me up on Instagram or by email. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.